Mae Sheffield yn le go arbennig, a mae yna chwaraewr ifanc go arbennig yn disgleirio I un o glybiau balch y ddinas ddir, Sheffield United. Salwch oedd yr unig beth nath stopio David Brooks yn 2017, ond ar ôl gwella o dwymyn y chwarennau sef glandular fever, mae fe nôl i'w glwb ac I Gymru.
Club and country, it was a real good year for me. I think that was filled with a lot of special memories for me and my family, and hopefully I get more years like that.
Special memories, I'm guessing Paris must be up there.
On a personal level, to be in the minority of getting to play for your country, and obviously the stage it was on in France, and obviously with my mum, my dad, my family all from Wales, all coming down to support in Paris. I think it was probably the most special memory I've got.
Because you all came on together, didn't you? Ethan Ampadu, Ben Woodman as well. It's a great photo. Have you seen that photo?
Yeah, I've seen the photo. I've got them all, to be fair, from about 9 different angles. But obviously it was mine and Ethan's debut that night, so I think it was a pretty special one for especially us two. I think Ben obviously had a few more games before us, but I can see it being up there for him with the game it was. And it was just a really nice one to be involved in.
And then Panama again, you end up with man of the match, so again another highlight.
Yeah, that was the first one in front of the home fans as well, so that was another special one for me. I keep on saying special, but it was a good game. Obviously it was sad to see Chris Coleman go, but I'm looking forward to the future and seeing what that holds.
So, Ryan Giggs comes in now. You've been compared to Ryan Giggs as a player as well, which is a massive compliment.
I know.
Yeah, absolutely. So, as a young player yourself, how aware are you of Ryan Giggs? Do you remember watching him as a child?
Yeah, I'm a big Manchester United fan, so I'm a big fan of his, and obviously he was a great player and a Manchester United legend, so hopefully I get to play under him and obviously take some pointers.
With Wales, the photos are becoming a theme of this, because there's a photo they show of Ryan Giggs all the time, because he played for England schoolboys. Yeah. You know where this is going, don't you? There's a photo of you wearing an England shirt in the Toulon tournament. I'm sure they might be showing that in years to come, like they did with Ryan Giggs. But what was the situation out in Toulon?
When the squads got announced, obviously I was in both, but I hadn't been aware of I had actually been called up for Wales, so it was a bit of a funny situation. Obviously I had to go away with England, and obviously we did well and I played well. But it was always my ambition to go on and play for Wales, and hopefully they didn't change their minds after it. And obviously I went away the next time and we played Switzerland and Portugal, and then I got their call up to the first team, which was nice.
You mentioned that Switzerland game. Another special moment for you. That was some goal, fair play.
Yeah, the first game for him, and I was delighted to get on the score sheet. And then we obviously got the 3 points. That was nice as well. Brilliant.
I've got to ask you about your club as well. You're Sheffield United. Yeah. Just you get a sense of how big they are. Obviously, they've been down in League One and stuff, but speaking of Robert Page as well, it feels like a club on the way back.
Yeah, I think it's definitely a club on the rise. I think we're not a League One team, and I think obviously coming back up into the Championship, we've proved that we can compete at this level, and just hopefully we can continue it and maybe push into the playoffs towards the end of the season.
Couple of things I'm fascinated with footballers. Do you play FIFA? And if so, do you pick yourself?
I do pick myself, yeah. I've got a special card in myself, so I play with that quite a lot.
Brilliant. Because are you happy with your rating on FIFA?
Not on 64, no, but hopefully it gets improved next year.
I could only do it on the computer game. You can do it on the pitch as well. It's great to have you back on the pitch. Glad the illness is better. It's amazing to have you with Wales. Looking forward to watching you in the next few years. Nice one, David.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate.